First up, logging. Logging, as the name suggests, helps you to log or print pretty much anything you want on your console window. Logging can in JavaScript is done using Console.log. In in this screen you can see we have we have used I love food inside console.log function, and so we can see that the output of this console log is I love food, which is whatever is inside the parenthesis or the brackets is printed here. Now, why do we need logging? So logging, in my experience, I have used logging to during development work. Whenever I want to see how my code is working, I usually put console log statements to see how the program flow is happening and is it according to what I have hoped for. Secondly, logging helps me to debug issues in production or in staging. Whenever there is an issue, I try to see what has been logged and if those logged events can help me to identify what may have happened. So now next, let's use console log to log stuff and see how we can use it. To see how logging works, I'm going to use runjs.co website as my JavaScript playground. On the left pane, you can write code, and on your right pane, you can see the output of your code. So let's start with logging. Console log I love food. So here I have put I love food within my console log, and when I press the run button, I expect the output to show as I love food. And that's what we see. So whatever we print inside console log, we can see it in the output window. Now let's print console log I love pizza. As we press the run button, we see two things printed. First, I love food, because the first console log statement is still present. And second, I love pizza, because the second console log is also present in our coding screen. And so this is a nice and simple example to show that when we want to print anything, we just put it inside console log, and then when we press run, our code runs, which is two statements within our coding pane, and then it shows the output of the two statements after running, which is I love food and I love pizza.